Guys, this is my tutorial on how I do my everyday makeup. You guys are just going to kind of see how I go through it to do basic makeup. So, as you can see in the video, I'm basically starting out with my Maybelline's Fit Me. I am a matte poreless, so I am a little bit darker. So as you can see here in the video, I'm just basically spreading it throughout my face and putting on the foundation, making sure that it's all blended because you don't want any dark spots on your skin. So we just blend that out really quickly. So as you can see here, guys, I'm just blending it in, making sure that it is more than blended because we want to make sure everything looks nice and smooth and not blotchy. So here I'm just pulling out my eyebrow pencil. It is New York X eyebrow pencil from our crayon de Sourcy. It's like in French, so I don't know how to say that, but it's basically the eyebrow pencil I go to. It offers both a brush and the pen on the same thing so that you can just flip it. So here you just see me brushing my hairs up. So here you can see I'm just filling in my eyebrows, making sure that I really have that arch line. You know, everyone has their own way of doing things, but I think I love to have an arch right at the top of my eyebrow. And this is going to be my Ultra Beauty palette. I use this palette a lot because it offers a lot of versatile eyeshadows, and on top of that, it's more warmer colors. So here you'll see me just adding my favorite brown that I always add. I do that in my crease, and then on the top of my crease, I just blend it out with a black so that it looks like a cut crease. And that offers a more dramatic look. And here, so I'm just adding the darker color in the crease just to define the, brown a little more because it's easy for it to blend in because of my skin being brown. So you just want to make sure you put black in the crease so that it defines the lower color. So here you can see I'm using my NYC Pinup Tease mascara. I like this one because it's a skinnier stick, which provides more volume and more individuality within my eyebrows and eyelashes. So I use this either on my eyebrows or my eyelashes, but mainly on my lashes. It's also very dark, so it gives more of a dramatic effect depending on the skin tone of yourself. And as you can see, I don't have the best lashes on, but these have also been applied a few days ago, so it's obviously time to reapply them, but I worked with them for what I had. And here I'm just applying eyeliner, the hardest part, but gotta do it. So now you're going to see that I'm using my High Shine lip gloss. I purchased this at Forever 21. I love lip glosses rather than matte lips just because for me I have bigger lips, so it shows more of an effect when it's shiny. So as you can see, I'm just putting it on. It takes me a while because I do have bigger lips, so. And this is, the color that I'm using is plum purple. There you go. Alright, and this is the final look. Thank you so much, guys.